They survived because they stood and fought together as a team. But there is one member of the group who did not fight with the family. Tokotona. His unruliness is a threat to the whole group. The family will not tolerate this. Not least Boipuzo and the other adult male, Ralbadi. Magogo joins the attack. Ralbadi might kill Tokotona. But remarkably, Boipuzo steps in to shield him. Tokotona is lucky. He's been spared. But his position as the alpha male is over. Magogo no longer wants him as her partner. By scent marking Boipuzo, she has chosen him as the new alpha male. He's strong and loyal, exactly the sort of partner she needs. Magogo needs to build her dynasty, but she has only one pup. Each day, the search for food takes longer and longer. Yet, there is hope. The wind is a sign of distant rain, but it also drives dust storms over the land. The group need to keep searching for food. Dust storms can change direction in a moment. Magogo sounds the alarm. Time to take cover in their den. But the pup hasn't heard the warning, and they can't hear his calls. Magogo's last pup did not survive the storm. The family could not protect him from this, the harshest of lands.